This is question 20. Given that ABCD is a rectangle where the diagonal AC equals to 20. The point P is on CD such that BP is equal to 15 and AC perpendicular to BC. Using this information, find the area of the rectangle ABCD. Now in this case, we can construct a line that is parallel to BP. Extend AB so that this is B prime. Okay, so B prime C is parallel to BP, and B prime C equals to BP equals to 15. And also this is a 90 degree. What we have here is this. This is C, this is A, this is B prime, this is B. Okay, so this is 15, this is 20. Using the Pythagoras Theorem, 15, 20, 15 is equal to 3 times 5. This is 4 times 5. And therefore, 3, 4, this is 5 times 5. Okay, so AB prime is equal to 25. Now we consider the area of triangle AB prime C. It will be equal to half the base and the height. The base is 15 and the height is 20. It will be equal to half base 25, height, call this is H. So in this case, H will equal to, cancel, this is 5, this is 4, and this is 3. H will be equal to 12. Now we know that H is equal to 12. Now we will look at this right angle triangle, A, B, and C. This is equal to 20, and this is equal to 12. What is AB then? 12 is equal to 4 times 3. 20 is equal to 4 times 5. So this will equal to 4 times 4. 3, 4, 5. Therefore, AB is equal to 16. AB equals to 16. And BC is equal to H is equal to 12. So the area of rectangle ABCD is equal to 16 times 12. And this is 14 plus 2, 14 minus 2. That is 14 squared minus 4. This is 169 minus 4. So the answer should be 192. So 192 is the answer for question 20.